Good morning, everybody. It is a Saturday. I'm kind of gutted because I'm meant to be up at Players Show this weekend with the Civic, but I didn't manage to get the door cards fitted to it in time, and honestly, my Nissan could potentially be ready for collection this weekend too. So I thought, you know what, I've been rushing around so much over the last couple of weeks, let's take a chill, let's have a couple of days just chilling out down the garage, doing bits and pieces, getting stuff ready, moving stuff about, and having fun. So that's what we're going to do today. In today's video, I thought we'd make it a little bit different. I'm not a detailing channel, I'm not even a detailer. I like cleaning my car, but not a huge amount, especially not in this sunlight, which we've been blessed with today. I'm not moaning. I thought today we'd go get Rusty out and give him a proper clean. First time in God knows how long. For anybody that doesn't know, this car is actually disgusting. You'll see it soon. I thought it'd be a fun little video today to do, and it's a nice chill one for me to film. I can have Finn down there. Sorry, he's got a lead on, ready to go for a little walk, ain't you, buddy? So yeah, we're gonna go now. I'll catch you very soon. Also, if anybody else wants to grab one of these chairs, and I've seen a few of you guys have bought these, they are fantastic, aren't they? If any of you out there have actually bought one, please leave a comment down below and tell people how good they are. My code is linked in my description down below. I love them. GT Omega racing seats, they are sick. Right, let's go down the garage. Always got to make sure you're in the Reebies, mate. Reebok. Oh. Before we head down there real quick, I want to talk about this real fast, the M3. So I was planning on going to Ireland with the drift car and doing a drift event out there, and it doesn't look like I'm actually going to be able to afford it now. It looks like it's just going to be out of my price range. The whole reason I want to go is because, one, I love Ireland, I think it's fantastic, but two, it's going to be my 30th birthday at the end of August, and I feel like it's such a big one. I don't want it to be wasted like on a night out in Colchester or something. So what I thought I'd do is potentially, if I can afford it, look to take this to the Nürburgring. It'll be my first ever trip to the Nürburgring. It'll just be a short trip, short, sweet, but I'll have to see if a few friends can come. We'll have to do a last minute booking or whatever, but potential M3 at Nürburgring trip. We'll have to see. I love this car so much, man. It's still my favourite car, and I've done nothing to it yet, but if this YouTube channel can take off, then we'll start modifying that a little bit, but we'll see. I can't afford it at the moment, if I'm straight up.
Right then, buddy, shall we go? Shall we go for a little walk, buddy? Shall we go for a little walk there, Finn? Hey, buddy, shall we go for a little walk? Hey, boy?
Also, for those of you that have followed the channel, you will have seen I have announced what car I now have for the K-swap. Yes, it's still a Honda. I needed to make it as simple as possible for me because I've never done a K-swap before. There's the coupe, so if you'd like to check it out in its entirety and see what we're working with, the video should be linked in the top corner. I think it's this corner here, so yeah, check it out after this video, that'd be great. So here is old Rusty. It is true to its name, but I also have some fantastic news. For those of you that have been following the little brief saga that is Rusty so far will know that I really only bought this car for one reason and one reason only. And that reason is this. This number plate down here. I bought the car purely to get the rights to that number plate. And I managed to get it off the car. Just simply, once I got the V5 back, I went on the government website, I put the number plate in, I paid them £80 retention fee, and the number plate paperwork is on the way to me, which means this thing is a car that has paid me. And once I've sold that number plate, I've been offered an insane amount of money for it. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I've been offered an insane amount for it. So I think we're going to chuck it up for that and see what happens. But regardless, I got the car. I feel like I've won. I feel like this is a victory. I don't have many of them, but this was definitely one. And that's why today I wanted to get it out, give it a clean. And you can see, while we're in here in the garage, before the sunlight absolutely tears it to shreds, you can see the absolute state that this car is in. Ignore the rust for today. We're not worried about the rust today. It's purely about the grime and the grot that's on this car. I'm just going to be giving it, I feel like I should just say this in case you've clicked on the video and this is your first time ever of seeing me. I am a hobbyist when it comes to cars. I love messing around with them, I love modifying them. That is my main thing I enjoy doing, is modifying cars, how they look, trying to make them go fast on track. I like drifting and all that sort of stuff. This is going to be my first ever restoration type gig, I guess, and I am not a detailer. I don't hate cleaning cars, I just find it long, and I feel like that's time that could be spent doing something else, but I want to make sure that Rusty gets a good old clean over here. So the other side isn't too bad. I don't know whether it was protected by the guy's house or driveway, but this side is just a bit dirty. It's not even that bad, if I'm completely honest. As you can see, it's just rust really, but the boot, see, it's terrible. All the lights all moulded. I don't even know what gets this off, if I'm completely honest. I was going to use iron out, but I just wanted to give it a proper clean. Not selling it. Rusty is not for sale, just the number plate, which is sick. I don't know if these wheels are just rust. It does look like it, but we'll try and clean them anyway. But I actually think they look quite cool like that. I don't want to get rid of all the rust completely. It might sound a bit bizarre, but yeah, there he is, old Rusty boy. Tom Peck's back. Hey!
How good was that turning circle?
Did you see that turning circle?
That was crazy.
I just did an actual 3-point turn in the smallest gap. Right, okay.
It is tiny though. It is the same size as my Civic.
Right. Do you want to do it?
No, mate, I'd run.
I've explained to them already that I haven't explained to you yet.
Okay.
So I'll explain to you off camera. For those that don't know Peck, he gets like OCD about tidying and stuff, so that's why I like having him here. What I thought we'd do is, shall we tackle the interior first?
Do the outside first.
Outside first, yeah. Okay, so at least that's then cleaned up, yeah. Cool, right, we'll set up the machines and that, so yeah, cool. Look at this. You can see they've tried to wash it through the moss anyway. But never mind, let's get to washing.
Players 2020.
Maybe. This is going to be my show car, so it's going to be cool. Like, but I think it's probably more looking at 2021, 2022. So but we'll see.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, yeah. I'm so handsome. All in Carmine's with my Benzo, I'm so fancy. No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. No time to play, got booked.
That is stage 1 done, which by stage 1 I just mean jet wash. But yeah, that's that done. Look at how good.
It is a miles.
Look at how clean this car is gonna be. Some bits of it are fantastic. Obviously, it's got the rust, I'm well aware, but when I say it looks clean, like, just look at that. That's just blasted the junk off. Finn, what are you doing, man?
Finn!
The boot's open, bro. Come on. There he goes. So it's time to lay the smacketh down with some snow foam. Look at how cool this bonnet is, man. I have completely and utterly fell in love with this car. I mean, look at that. Modern cars do not take that into consideration at all. What's this? Tom Peck using his own cleaning products for once. I am shook. We must make a note of this. I can't believe it. So while Peck is tackling the engine bay, I am going to get the number plates off, and I've just peeled back this, and look, brand new screws. Oh my god. Oh, life's going to be so much easier. Look at this. Mate. Look at the rocker cover. Do you see how dirty it was before? Brand new.
No time to fake. Authentic in my own lane. I am me till I'm in the grave. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no.
Because of how sunny it is outside, we brought it in to dry it off. And there we have, the car is back where it started, and it looks a whole ton better already. And all we've done is basic wash, snow foam, rinse it down with a sponge and some shampoo, and then blasted it off. So now we're gonna clean it all up, like dry it all up properly. I don't know what else we're gonna do today, but we just wanted to get the main bits of rot off. And I literally cannot believe how good it looks. I think the paint underneath it was brilliant. Yeah, brilliant. So, thumbs up. I'm really happy with Rusty, still. Wipe down complete the old guy. There is obviously quite a lot of rust on this thing, but I'm not too bothered by it, man. In 3 years, it's MOT exempt anyway, so we'll be able to roll it around however it looks. Pretty cool. I thought I'd take the seats out. However we do that, where are these back bolts on these seats? We're gonna have to just move the sliders forward. Let's have a look. If we take the seats out, we can get really underneath the seats and might find some old money and stuff like that. That'd be kind of cool, wouldn't it? So yeah, cool. Let's try that. Should we pull the cover off and see how disgusting it looks? Oh, that was not bad at all.
Yeah, that's alright. Nice colour.
Wicked, yeah. All blue interior. That's pretty dope. It's an S2000. It's a shame it's got these mats in that seems to have like glued themselves to the floor. Yeah, but anyway, it's not actually too bad in here. Need to get all the crap out. Tax discs, mate. These kids nowadays with their PCP 1 series will never have seen this before. Blimey. Seats out. Look at how disgusting this all is, man.
No money though.
No money, no nothing, nothing cool. But that looks like original carpet. So if we take that out eventually, there might be some cool stuff under there. Or just lots of rust. But yeah, never mind. This is actually coming out okay. Can't believe it. Loving this little car. So some of you may have watched the video where me and Pete went to collect this thing, and the chap, I think he was trying to help, broke the glove box, and I managed to get a reproduction glove box hinge, like complete brand new from Thailand, for 30 quid delivered. So I thought, even though the car's not really me moving, it was worth doing this small little fixed job right now, just because it annoys me, the glove box hanging down and being so awkward to get in and out. So yeah, pretty cool. Look, they even sent this cool little thing. Look, I think it's so sweet. Like, what a rad little thing I put in. Finn is getting super involved in this. He's not left me side, have you, buddy? You coming in?
Do I get in?
Come on then. In. He just wants to be here, didn't you, buddy? Hey? Almost ready for a test voyage. Oh, yes, we're back in business. Shall we check out that driver's seat with the cover on and see how bad it is?
Mate, it's bad.
It's bad, isn't it? But we're going to have to put it back in with all the bolts in so nothing gets lost, because this car's not getting worked on for a little while properly anyway, so... Will you stop being so gassy, man? Only 4 bolts a seat.
Yeah, you're doing it, man.
Alright, calm down, mate. He's so moody, anything, eh? What's that all about, mate? What is it all about, mate? So she's topped up with oil now, boy. And now we're going to look at this seat. We're going to see a rat run out.
Matt, don't worry, I'll kick it. Well, I wouldn't say it's just
all that leather is basically still there, which is good. I know that from watching lots and lots of Goon Squad, that if you can save parts of the seat, there will be some clever person out there that can get this sort of material and fix it.
Like patchwork.
Yeah, but I think if it gets to this stage of the car, I'll have the whole seats redone with like memory foam and stuff. Get rid of all this.
Mate, that'll be a little hauler.
Yeah, it'd be wicked then, wouldn't it? I want to make this car. I just think this car's wonderful. Like,
this could be the Legend Part 2.
The better than the Legend.
Yeah.
This is Ronnie Mark 2.
Yeah.
And I don't know if many of you out there will know about Ronnie, but I'm going to throw a picture of old Ronnie up on the screen. He was my little dream boat for a little while. I loved that thing. Like, I've then obviously since then got into the old Hondas much more, and the drifting and going fast and scaring myself. But as I'm aging like a fine wine, I'm starting to appreciate these old cars a lot more. And now I've got one, honestly, I could put every other project on hold now and just go full bore on this. Legit. Like,
really?
Yeah.
What, even the drift car?
Well, where can I drift anymore? Nowhere.
True.
The UK does not want any drifters anymore, so it's as simple as that. That seat isn't the end of the world. Have you still got the Hoover out?
Yeah, it's over there.
I choose you, Henrik!
Looks
Hey,
well better, yeah. Sweet. Just keep it off, man. Let the seat breathe. Poor thing.
Right, that is it. The BMW's, we just brought it outside so we can see, because we're about to film another video on Peck's car. But there it is. Let's have a quick look from where it was earlier. Let's go around. Looks so much cleaner.
I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. Ooh, never panic. Get a worry, send it up and then advantage. I can't stand it. I don't know the way you move and see you scrambling.
So obviously, I hope you guys like the little bit of progress we've done on the car. Obviously, it's got no front seats in it in a minute either, but we want to be able to air the interior out because some bits are quite wet still. The roof leaks, but I've actually found another roof for it, so I think I'm going to message the guy and get a whole new roof, and then we'll worry about fitting that at some point. I've got a sill on order already from Poland of all places, and I think it should be here the end of the month, so it should be arriving any day soon. And then I'm going to try and sort out that arch, and well, if that arch goes through, I looked at the floor pan, and it really isn't as bad as we first thought. There's a few holes in it, but you can buy full floors for them for 120 quid. So it's just like, well, it's not the end of the world. And I've got friends that know how to weld, and I've obviously done the courses, so it's not the end of the world, and it should be exciting. But from this video, I hope you like Rusty. Leave me a comment down below. Are you impressed with the clean up job that we've managed to do just in the garage down here? I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and stick around. There's going to be so much more content coming. As you can see, we've got the blue coupe to be K-swapping. We've got Peck's car that's going to be quite prominent on the channel throughout the time he's got it, because you guys seem to like it, so I thought I'd show you. And then we've got Rusty as well. So yeah, I love this little car, and I can't wait to have it on the road, because that will happen. Every day I'm with it, I fall more and more in love with it. I just think it's fantastic. I even think I might start to daily it when it works. So that's how much I like it. So yeah, from me, from Finn, and from Peck, see you guys in the next video. Peace.